Hi there. Today we're going to talk about how to start living your dream life faster. Awesome stuff. If you have not met me yet, my name is Katie. I'm a coach for women entrepreneurs who are ready to start up-leveling their life. And what we're going to talk about today is an excellent topic. Perfect, right on time. So this quote that I read today, the difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do. So it speaks to taking action. So important, so powerful, and I 100% agree. And a little trick, a little switch to that, so that quote again is the difference between who you are, who you want to be is what you do. So that's the action that starts bridging that gap. So what are you doing to get you from there to there, right? Okay, so to get from where you are to where you want to be, what if I said instead of just doing, what if you already start being? Start being this person. Pull this person close to you. So that way you're already there acting as if you are that person, and then you are moving even more powerfully, even more effectively. You're not waiting. Part of this journey of taking action is you become this person. But if you start, if you take a moment, who she is, what she looks like, what she wants. You know how to describe her. You know what she loves to do. You know what she insists on in her daily routine. You know these things. So start pulling those in. Start incorporating her habits. Start making decisions as she would make decisions. Start acting like the CEO she is. Start acting like the visionary she is. Start acting like the artist, the creative, the leader that she is today. And then you close that gap so fast. That is my big tip for the day. So think about that. Have you really taken the time to imagine that future self and what you're working towards, what that dream life is for you? Take some time to think about your vision and what you want. I take my clients through that, and I'll link up to an upcoming visioning workshop I have as well. I'd love for you to join me. And if you're not clear on who that person is and how to close that gap to just an awesome dream life where you are living with purpose, feeling just so much power and freedom and joy in your day, in what you do every day, closing that gap and taking really powerful action every day. Please join me, and we'll see you in the next video.